In this lesson we will learn about the AutoCAD desktop and how to navigate the main menus of the software. Come on! After AutoCAD installed and started, a presentation similar to this one will be shown. Note that there are a large number of menus and options, but rest assured that during the course, you will learn the main functions to get out creating your own drawings and projects. Let's start by looking at the Start tab. Here we have several options and we will learn a little about them. Clicking on Start Drawing, we start a new drawing. A little below in Templates, we can start a new drawing from a ready-made pattern. These patterns define various things in the drawing like units of measurement, print sheets, and many others. We will learn in the course how to create your own template. In this area you will see a list of newly opened drawings. Clicking on the drawing you want, it will open and allow you to view and work on it. Let's click on any of them, and notice that the drawing is visualized. Also note that this drawing is in a tab with the name of the drawing. To return to the Start tab, just click on it. Software update information is shown in the notification area. In Connect you can focus on your Autodesk 360 account. This allows you to do various things online like sharing drawings with others, reviewing documents and other functions. Let's now go to that drawing we opened earlier. To do so, just click on the corresponding tab. This is the graphical area where you can view, change and create drawings. See that in the upper left corner there is some information, which allows you to control the display mode of the graphical area. Clicking on the minus sign, we have some display options. For example, if we want to split in half, we select this option. So we have two canvases that we can view and edit different areas in the drawing. In the second part of this line, see that this writing top, we are viewing this drawing in the top plane. If we are working with 3D projects, here is a way to change the viewing point. As an example, we will select one of these options. And in the third part of this line is the type of visualization. For 2D drawings we always leave the 2D wireframe option, but for 3D drawings we can have another visualization style. As example, let's click on Conceptual. See that the 3D object has now been filled. Visualization changes can also be made in View Cube, located in the upper right corner. Here we can rotate, set the view with one click and see other options. The navigation bar has commands for zoom, pan among other functions that we will see during the course. Note the triad of the three axes, which represent the positive direction of the X, Y and Z axis. In this course we will work with drawings in 2 dimensions using coordinates on the X and Y axes that we will see in detail further ahead. To return with a single view window, click on the plus sign and maximize viewport. Note that when you hover over tab names, a preview of your drawing and print layouts for this drawing appears when they are defined. Thus facilitating access to these areas. When you right-click on the tab, there are a few options, among them to save your drawing. The menu above is called Ribbon, which has the function of organizing commands and tools into tabs and panels. As an example, the Home tab has the Draw panel, which has commands to create objects such as rows, circumferences, arches, and others. Panels can also be expanded to show other commands. The Modify panel contains the editing or modification commands of drawing, such as move, copy, rotational, crop, and more commands. So each panel has access to related commands. In this basic AutoCAD course, we will learn several of them. Another widely used menu is Quick Access, where it has the commands to open, save and print drawings. These commands are also available by clicking on the AutoCAD icon. In this menu we also view the recently opened files. In it we can also consult information of commands by typing the same about this field. In the lower area there are the Model tabs responsible for the Design area, and the Layout tab, which allows you to organize the drawing on defined scales and standard sheets in order to print and publish. You can add multiple project sheets by clicking the plus button. Instead of selecting the icons to activate a command, you can use the command line. Typing a command, AutoCAD auto-completes what is typing, making it easy to find and activate the command you want. You can also this in the graphical area and simply type the name of the command, it also works. After typing the name of the command, press Enter. So the command is active. Notice that both the cursor and the command line appears information that this command prompts for. This will make it easier to know the next steps for using each command. Here we are just showing the options of the AutoCAD environment, and we will see in this step-by-step course the details of various commands. Let's go to the status bar located at the bottom right. The status bar shows the drawing environment options set, and allows access to them. As an example, the grid options, precision tools, annotation scales, the desktop type. In this case we have the environment drafting and annotation, more conducive to creating two-dimensional drawings. In addition to the tabs and panels that allow access to commands, we can also use tool palettes that have access to tools to facilitate the creation of your drawing. This palette can also be configured according to various options. And so we visualize the main areas of the AutoCAD environment. We learn where the main tools for opening and saving drawings, object creation and modification commands, as well as some details of the environment are located. Note that there are many options, and we do not expect you to absorb everything at once. We will see every detail in the course. As a tip, if you have questions, watch the video lesson more than once to try to absorb as much as possible. In the next classes we will learn more about the environment, starting and practice the creation of small drawings. We'll wait for you there.